my friends, welcome. Welcome in the atrium that you have already seen at the occasion of the realization of some intermediary steps for my dog. Today I will show you how to change gas cylinders. So this is a very common operation, and maybe it's not concerning all of you. Nevertheless, in case you're going on holidays somewhere on the mountain or something like this, very often you will use gas cylinders. So here it's very straightforward. There is one which is empty, and we'll be now changing it for a new one. Let's go. So here it's open, and here like this it is cut. Careful, in my installation here there is also another thing like this just below the place where you're cooking. Normally, the gas cylinder being empty, there is no risk further gas to come out. Nevertheless, I'm closing the cylinder down. You see here there's a minus and there's a plus. So we go into the direction of the minus. Now it's closed, so it's absolutely safe. And for opening the connection between the cylinder and the gas installation, I will use this tool, multifunction plier, and I can then open this ring. And unscrew it. So now we can liberate the empty bottle, and we can use this here. This is for the transport. And this here is the new gas cylinder, which is full. And you see here the seal, witnessing that this bottle has been never used, meaning that it's full. We will relieve it with a cutter. So now we're going to connect back the gas cylinder with the installation. Here, very important, check out that there is this joint, this washer. So this one is a soft one out of caoutchouc. It's a very good, I like them a lot. But in case you're buying a new cylinder, you may receive such type of joint, such type of washer. You can place as well, and this is fine. But honestly, I prefer the soft ones. So now comes the delicate operation of this fix. It is that you have to put this here now on the gas cylinder, and it has to be fitting perfectly. Like this, and then you put the ring around. And as long as it's not entering, it means you're not in the right axle. Okay. Then you may put a little bit of this one for making sure it's well tightened. That's enough. And then of course you open. Here you see the minus, here you see the plus. Here, just for safety reasons, make a little check with your nose. In case you're not smelling any gas, it means that it's okay. That's it, my friends. Now we've changed the old gas cylinder with a new one. In case, even though you have a new gas cylinder, it's still not working, it means you have to change the détendeur, which is between the gas cylinder and the flexible pipe. Of course, I won't leave you alone with this, and this is the reason why I invite you to have a look at the video about how to change this. So see you in a minute on Happy Hour TV 1.